Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video, and I'm excited today to show you Connect Audience. Now, this is the software that is a Connectio software, and one of the things about Connectio that you'll notice is that there's other softwares inside of Connectio you may have heard of, or maybe you've got access to them. Connect Leads, Connect Retarget, for example. Now, Connect Audience is a new software. I don't believe it's been launched before. It has been in the past. That I believe they had a beta release of this software, so you may have seen it before. I don't think you probably haven't, but just in case, you may have. Down below, there's more details on the software, plus I've organized a really cool bonus package down below as well with a lot of information that will hopefully help you to use the software as well. So when you get into Connectio, what you'll notice is that your Connectio settings are universal. So they work with Connect Audience, they work with Connect Leads, they work with Connect Retarget. So all of these softwares have the same settings. You can go into Manage Autoresponder, you can add your autoresponder as you want. As you can see, I've already added Aweber, and you can even test to see if it works correctly as well. Before I move on from there, to give you an indication of how many different autoresponders you can connect up in this software, look how many you can connect up. Basically, every single type of autoresponder you could want or GoToWebinar software is in here as well to be used. So let's go back to Connect Audience now and make sure that you've also connected your Facebook account. So you just go through here, connect Facebook, mine's already connected, and it'll tell you that it's successfully connected. Now after the setup, what Connect Audience is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to filter your list and retarget them. Previously, if you'd wanted to retarget people over Facebook, what you'd need to do is you'd need to go ahead and you'd actually need to go in here and you couldn't have actually retargeted people with your subscribers. People would actually have to click on your website to be retargeted. What the software does is it gives you an easy way of retargeting whatever lists that you want to, and you can completely filter them in a way that's really quite smart. So say for example, I wanted to start a retargeting campaign. What I'm going to call this is Facebook retargeting laptop startup, for example, and maybe there's a couple of lists here that I wanted to retarget for laptop startup. So I'd go to Facebook trends, and then I can decide if I want to, how I want to basically retarget these people. If subscribed to email list, I can retarget them. Has received the email, okay, I can retarget people that have received a specific email, which is really handy, and I can do that long term as well. So if I have an autoresponder sequence set up, and say for example I want to focus on people that actually have an interest in that particular topic, I can focus on retargeting those people with ads over Facebook. Now retargeting ads, you've probably seen them. They are ads on Facebook, newsfeed ads, ads in the sidebar, any sort of advertisement over Facebook can be a retargeting ad. The advantage of doing all of this and the advantage of filtering your audience correctly instead of just adding everyone on there is that you're going to get a lot lower cost for your advertising. It's going to cost a lot less for you to advertise. Plus, you're going to get a lot more people converting, and Facebook really likes that, so you'll be really good in their eyes. So basically, this is going to help you to get cheaper clicks and sell more products as well, because you're going to be advertising to the right people over Facebook. So you can then go ahead, you can retarget based on people that have received the email, based on people that have opened a message, based on people who have clicked a link, and you can also decide to add other filters as well if you want to. So say for example, you could say people inside of this list that have subscribed to this email list, and I want to also focus on people that have opened a particular message inside of, say for example, my Facebook trends list. Okay, so I'm going to go in here, I'm going to load this up, it's going to connect with Aweber, and then I can find the messages that have been opened and sent out, and I can use this data as well. I could also find the people that have clicked a specific link, and you can see here that a link will come up. These are different messages that I've used in the past that I've sent out from this list, and I could choose one of these. This is a really old one, but I can choose one of these, and I can focus on retargeting people that have clicked on a specific link. Then once you're done, you can go ahead and you can say, yes, I do want to publish this. You can change the filter. You need a certain amount of people to be in your email list. You could also target 2 email lists or 3 email lists if you wanted to as well. Then you can say, yes, I do want to publish on Facebook, and then you can tick all of these agreements and click create your audience and go ahead and create your audience. Now I'll see it's still loading. I'm on a bit of a slow internet connection, but once you create your audience, what will happen is it'll be added to your retargeting campaign or your campaign that you've selected here. So Sam Backer, for example, this is my Facebook advertising account. it would be loaded up in here, and then I can go and I can add ads into it and start retargeting through this platform right here, through Facebook, as I regularly would or usually would advertise. So really cool piece of software, really easy to use. For what it does, it's not a basic thing. This is not easy to create something like this. And you'll see here it's I'm having some internet issues at the moment, and I believe that's why it's loading really slow there. But you can add a bunch of different new filters. You could have another new filter as well, or you could combine the two. It basically allows you to take your subscriber list or the subscriber list of a client and really get in depth on your targeting, which is really going to help you to be able to obviously advertise, get lower costs, and advertise more effectively over Facebook. So if you want to get access to this software, it is a higher price. It's $197, but for what it does, it's going to allow you to use this really well in your business, target effectively. And if you're thinking about doing any advertising over Facebook, you have got a subscriber list or you're building a subscriber list, then this software will be a useful addition when you go to advertise over Facebook. So if you want to get access, go down below, find out more about this software. I had a chance to talk to Wilco about it. I actually met him when I was in Holland about it. Really cool piece of software. He's using it a number of different ways, and you'll see that on the sales page. You'll see I can't even load up a page now. The internet, I'm traveling at the moment, and that's why the internet's not so hot. Hopefully I'll be able to return that. So I'm not able to show you the full advertising campaign through Facebook today because of some internet issues. But the software works well. I've tested it out. I've used it a number of times, and I think you really like this software. So if you want to get access, go down below, check it out, and hopefully this has been informative. This is going to allow you to retarget your audience more effectively. This will be good if you are building a subscriber list and you're looking to advertise on Facebook. All right, this is Sam Becker. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you again soon. And hope this has been useful and you now understand what this software does. See you later.